Pokemans. Let me show you them. Shut up!
Okay.
Can't wait to travel to the city and get my first gym badge. It's gonna...
Yeah.
Hey, how do I
Snorlax.
get around this thing? Oh, Snorlax? You gotta wake him up to get on the move. Wait, can't they just walk around him? No, you friggin' idiot. You gotta wake him up with a Poke Flute. And where do I get one of those? You can get one from that guy over there.
Okay.
Hey, that old guy said you have a Poke Flute. Can I buy it off you or something?
Yeah.
Hey, can I buy a Poke Flute? I can't talk to you unless you walk in front of me, dumbass. Right. Where do you think you're going? Let's battle. No, I don't want to battle. I just want to buy a Poke Flute. Well, if you want a Poke Flute, you're going to have to battle me first. Yeah, okay, whatever. Let's battle.
No. Okay.
All right, Pikachu. I choose you. Pikachu.
I heart Smosh.
You're done for this time. Since our
They're
last
awesome.
battle, I got my Pokemon up to level 100. Prepare to lose. Go Metapod! The hell is that? Mr. Sexual Hipster, dresses like a flamboyantly gay man to stand out from the rest of the male crowd, but always ends up looking like a complete tool.
Okay.
My bad. Metapod, completely useless Pokemon. Useless? My Metapod's level 100, and he's so badass that I stopped him from evolving into a girly little butterfly.
Okay.
You didn't stand a chance. We'll see about that. Pikachu, you...
Only if that was like, when I get my camera, I really want to film my stepbrother on Call of Duty so like, you can actually see some skill. That'd be awesome.
Metapod, it's time to destroy him. You hardened. Alright, Pikachu, use Thunderbolt! My Metapod's gonna
Okay.
get so hard in this battle.
Okay.
Hey girls, let's have a slumber party! Can I watch? Shut
Patrick.
Dude, the commercial I'm in is gonna be on TV tonight. Sweet, what time? At like 3 o'clock in the morning, so we're gonna have to stay up super late.
What's this I hear about staying up late?
Nothing, Mom.
You know, bedtime's at 11, young man.
Okay, I'm a grown-ass man, so you can't tell me what to do.
Yeah. Awesome.
What are you gonna do? We're gonna stay up anyway. Mom can't tell us what to do. We're gonna do whatever we want. It's gonna be the greatest slumber party ever.
Fast motion.
Night ever. Yeah, I'm never going to sleep again.
Ian?
Yeah, totally. That's so realistic. You wouldn't believe that.
Oh, we're close for him. It's only 11. We need to get serious.
I went to bed at 4 in the morning last night, which is pretty cool.
Never have I ever used my... The sequel is way more sucky than the original movie. Shut up! We found something in the ice. We think it's been here for over 100,000 years. Like a really old popsicle?
Yeah, totally.
Yes. What flavor?
What flavor?
You sure
Raspberry.
it's good?
I've never tasted one of those.
Congratulations, everybody. This new discovery is going to make us all very rich and famous. I'm going to spend all my money to learn how to speak English. out by yourself. Don't take any sort of weapon, though. Here, take this.
Okay, he's obviously gonna die if he doesn't take a weapon.
Hello? Come on, guys. This isn't funny.
Turtle! No.
Was a cat last night. So either one of us magically healed ourselves with a hyper potion, or one of us isn't who they say they are.
Wow. Okay, Smarts are awesome. Go subscribe to them, and I've been watching them and watching their videos and stuff. I rate them 5 out of 5 stars because they're awesome. Go check them out, and I will see you. Smash boop.